My love language is food, with my friends, family, including my mother. That's why this Mother's Day, I'm surprising her with breakfast and her favorite peanut butter. Soufflé pancakes are a super special fluffy breakfast that anyone will love. Instead of oil, I'm using Skippy Peanut Butter Creamy. I combine it with the yolks, milk, flour, and vanilla. To make this pancake feel like you're eating clouds, the egg whites are whipped with vinegar and sugar. The whites are then incorporated little by little to the yolks, first with a whisk and then folded with a spatula. You can transfer the batter in a piping bag for a cleaner job, but you can simply scoop the batter onto the pan with little oil over low heat. Add a little bit of water to the pan and cover to cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Feel free to add more batter midway to add height to your pancakes. Moment of truth. Beautiful. Cook the other side for 4 more minutes and let's plate. Instead of using plain pancake syrup, I am mixing equal parts of Skippy Peanut Butter Chunky and the syrup. This gives it the creaminess and a crunchy bite from real peanuts. Optionally, sprinkle powdered sugar for the vibes and a generous amount of your creamy peanut butter syrup. Top with sliced bananas and it's ready! Let's see what my mama thinks. Everybody has their own way to express their love for their mom. But